Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte to be detained behind bars at The Hague after judges at the International Criminal Court denied his appeal for release. The defense had argued for this release, citing the former leader's advanced age and alleged declining health.
In the present case, having rejected the three grounds of appeal presented by the defense in the appeal brief, the appeals chambers unanimously confirms the impugned decision.
The ICC denying an initial request in October, saying then it saw Mr. Duterte as posing a flight risk, with the possibility that he might intimidate witnesses and jeopardize investigations. The appeal of this ruling stressed, or rather this ruling stressed the 80-year-old's, quote, debilitated condition, with Mr. Duterte having neither the desire nor capacity to flee or to return to a life of power or politics. Mr. Duterte has been in detention for more than 8 months. In July, he was charged with 3 counts of crimes against humanity for alleged involvement in dozens of killings as part of his so-called war on drugs, while in office as mayor and then as president from 2016 to 2022. Maria Ronson is tracking this story for CNN. She joins us live from Metro Manila. Maria, a reminder that today's ruling is against an appeal that asks for release of Mr. Duterte as he awaits trial in the ICC. So not actually a ruling in itself, but a ruling against an appeal. But will this ruling have any bearing on the trial itself for his alleged crimes against humanity?
Okay, the main case against the former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte continues unabated. Quoting human rights lawyer and ICC Assistant to Counsel Cristina Conti, she said that whatever the decision of the judges on his continued detention, this would have, quote unquote, little or no impact to the progress of the main case. So whether Duterte is inside or outside the ICC detention facility, the hearings can continue if the go signal is received after Duterte's other requests are decided. In the ICC ruling in The Hague, Judge Luz del Carmen Ibanez Carranza set out the reasons why the former president has to remain under detention. She said that on the 3 grounds under the Rome Statute, he has to ensure that his appearance in trial in court, to prevent him from obstructing investigations and proceedings, and to stop the potential commission of further crimes. A flight risk. His network of contacts are also mentioned, as that may endanger prosecution witnesses. Duterte was not in court, by the way, to hear the decision, waiving his right to appear according to his legal counsel. So Duterte faces 3 counts of murder over the killings of 49 people, which took place when he was mayor of Davao province in Davao, and when he was elected president. He was taken into custody in March this year by the ICC over alleged crimes against humanity, which was committed during his administration's anti-drug campaign. So according to the official police count, the campaign is said to have led to the deaths of at least 6,000 people, although human rights groups report at least 30,000 killings. So his legal team challenged this chamber's findings and decisions, saying that he was, basically too old, or citing his age and his health, basically that he was unfit to stand trial. But as we have heard earlier, the chamber held to its decision and rejected the defense appeal, which was reached unanimously.
Maria, Mr. Duterte, the former leader, has both supporters and detractors. How have they reacted to this decision?
Okay, outside the court, before the decision was announced, a small group of pro-Duterte supporters gathered and prayed for his release and shouted, "Bring him home." Malacanang promptly reacted to the decision by the ICC today in saying that Malacanang respects the decision of the International Criminal Court that unanimously denied former President Duterte's bid for interim release from detention. The Office of Vice President Sara Duterte also shared their reaction, saying, "The family accepts the ICC Appeals Chamber's decision with peaceful hearts. We will continue to work with the defense team on the case and will keep supporting former President Rodrigo Duterte with our daily conversations. We thank everyone who prayed with us today."
Our thanks to Maria Ronson there reporting live from Metro Manila on this decision from the ICC in The Hague.